Hi again, this is Noemi from Jackie Bean, and today I'll show you the purl stitch. So your working yarn is in the front this time, which is the opposite of heavy-headed with the knit stitch. Your needle goes through the front of the stitch. Now we are going to wrap the yarn around our needle from the back to the front, and then we pull the right needle down and the little loop over to our right needle. So again, needle goes through the front of the stitch, wrap the yarn around the needle, and then pull the right needle down and the little loop or the stitch over to the right needle.